How to pin someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily pin someone on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the Snapchat, simply tap on the friends option shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, you'll be headed to the DM section. And now once you are here, simply find the friend or group that you want to pin and then press and hold on their name. And after doing that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on chat and notification settings. And after that, simply tap on pin conversation. And after doing that, you have successfully pinned a conversation at the top of the DM section. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.